Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dolphin. I hope you're well and you're safe. Today we are going to make orange chiffon cake. If you're new here, welcome and please subscribe. Click on the bell so that every time I post a video you'll be notified. To start off, we are going to need 2 oranges where we'll get the orange zest from it and also the orange juice. Using 4 eggs, we are going to separate the egg whites and the egg yolks. We are going to start with the egg yolks. First, we are going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you can use either vegetable oil or coconut oil, 3 tablespoons. Mix it up very well and ensure that everything is well combined. In another bowl, we have our egg whites. Ensure that the bowl is dry and very clean so that while you're whipping it, the consistency will remain the same. It should not come in contact with any water. So we are going to add half a cup of white sugar in the egg whites and start whipping until it's a very thick consistency. After that, add your first mixture and fold. So now I'm adding the orange juice from the 2 oranges that we had and also vanilla extract. The last thing that you're going to add is our orange zest from the 2 oranges. Fold it and bake this cake for 30 to 35 minutes at 180 degrees. There we have it, guys. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it goes. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Click on the bell so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.